Welcome back to the Orange Interior Design channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled to have you join us today. In this video, we're going to dive into some fantastic interior decorating tips that will help you refresh your space without spending a ton of money. Whether you live in a cozy flat, a rented apartment, or a family home, you don't have to break the bank to make your space feel fresh, stylish, and inviting. As we go through these tips, I want you to remember that decorating on a budget doesn't mean compromising on style or comfort. You can create a beautiful home even if you're working with a limited budget, and I'm going to show you how. Before we dive in, if you haven't already, please make sure you hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest design tips, tricks, and inspiration. Now let's get started on how to refresh your space, even if you're on a tight budget. First things first, before you start buying all the gorgeous home decor you can find, you need to set a budget. This may sound obvious, but it's crucial to be realistic about how much you want to spend. Not only will this keep your wallet happy, but it will also help you make decisions that align with your goals for your space. Now, when you're deciding how much to spend, take a moment to think about the overall picture. What's the one thing in your home that needs the most attention? Is your living room looking a bit tired? Does your bedroom feel like it could use a fresh look? Or is it just a few small updates that will make a big difference? The key here is to figure out what's most important to you and make that your focal point. Next up is something that has the power to completely transform any room without costing a fortune: paint. Seriously, a fresh coat of paint can completely change the look and feel of your space, whether it's a feature wall, your furniture, or even your doors and trim. Let's talk about walls for a minute. If your space feels a little drab or dated, nothing breathes new life into it like a fresh coat of paint. Whether you go for a soft, neutral hue or a bolder color that makes a statement, paint can instantly elevate the mood of the room. And let's not forget about furniture. You don't need to spend loads of money on new items. Instead, try painting an old piece you already have. This old dresser, for example, went from drab to fab with just a coat of paint and a bit of elbow grease. You'll be amazed at how much life a simple paint job can bring to your furniture. Paint is super affordable and available at most home improvement stores. Whether you want a matte finish, satin, or something glossy, you can easily find a style that matches your vision for your space. So, have you ever used paint to refresh a room or furniture in your home? I'd love to hear your ideas or any colors you've used that made a big impact. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's talk about DIY projects. If you're someone who loves getting creative and wants to add a personal touch to your home, DIY is the perfect way to go. Plus, it's a fantastic way to save money while still making a big impact. The best part? You don't have to be a professional to pull off a DIY project. Seriously, anyone can do it. Whether you're an experienced crafter or someone who's just starting, there are endless opportunities to get creative and add something truly unique to your space. For example, let's talk about turning something old into something new. One of my favorite DIY tricks is repurposing furniture or accessories that you already own. Have you got a vintage frame lying around? Why not turn it into a stylish mirror? Simply grab a large mirror from a discount store, remove the glass, and fit it into your frame. A quick coat of spray paint can make the frame pop in any color you want, whether it's a bold gold for a luxurious look or a matte black for something more modern. Another great DIY project is reupholstering an old chair. Instead of spending a small fortune on a new chair, give your old one a makeover. You'd be surprised by how easy it is to take an outdated chair and transform it into something fresh and modern. You can choose a fabric that matches your personal style and fits perfectly with the rest of your room's decor. These kinds of DIY projects are fun and so rewarding because they allow you to add your own personal touch to every corner of your home. Not only do you save money, but you also get the satisfaction of knowing that every detail in your space has been created by you. Let's move on to shopping smart. When you're decorating on a budget, it's all about being savvy with where you shop. One of my favorite tips is exploring secondhand stores, charity shops, and online marketplaces. These are absolute goldmines for finding stylish, unique pieces that won't break the bank. A similar lamp in a high street store could cost you much more, but by shopping secondhand, you can find great deals on beautiful, one-of-a-kind items. Online marketplaces are another great option. Whether it's Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or local buy and sell groups, you'll find plenty of affordable options if you're willing to search. Sometimes, people just want to get rid of things fast, which means you can score some real bargains. Decorative accents are often the little things that make a big difference in how a room feels. While the larger furniture pieces can define the space, it's the smaller details, the cushions, throws, rugs, curtains, and even small trinkets that really pull everything together. These items can be super affordable, but do wonders in refreshing the look of a room. And the best part? They're easy to change out when you want to update the feel of a space without committing to a full redesign. Take cushions, for example. They're one of the easiest and least expensive ways to add color, texture, and personality to a room. You can mix and match different patterns, sizes, and materials to create an inviting, layered look on your sofa or bed. These touches can completely shift the vibe of your space, from relaxed and casual to sophisticated and polished. And let's not forget about throws. A soft, cozy throw blanket draped across a couch or over a chair can make a room feel instantly more welcoming. Whether you go for something chunky and knitted for a wintry feel, or lightweight and breezy for the warmer months, a throw adds warmth, literally and figuratively, to your space. You can even use it to tie in the color scheme of a room, matching it to your cushions, curtains, or other decor elements. I recommend checking out online marketplaces, discount homeware stores, or even second-hand shops for hidden gems. You'd be surprised by the beautiful stuff you can find, even if you're shopping on a budget. Lighting is another area where you can make a massive impact without blowing your budget. It's often one of the most overlooked aspects of interior design. But trust me, when done right, lighting can completely change the vibe of a room. Not only does it set the mood, but it can also highlight the best features of your space, making your home feel more inviting and even more spacious. You don't need fancy or expensive light fixtures to create a beautiful atmosphere. Often, it's about being clever with the types of lighting you use and how you layer them. Ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting are the three key elements that every room needs to feel balanced and well lit. The key to layering your lighting is creating a balance between these three types. By using ambient, task, and accent lighting together, you can make sure every corner of your room is well lit without overwhelming the space. The layered effect creates a welcoming environment, whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a quiet evening at home. Remember, you don't need to spend a fortune on fancy light fixtures to get a beautiful lighting effect. Shop around for budget-friendly options at your local homeware store or online. It's amazing what a bit of creativity can do. A great lamp or a set of LED strips can cost as little as £10 to £20, but can completely transform how a room feels. And if you're really trying to save on lighting, don't forget the power of light bulbs. If you swap out your standard bulbs for dimmable or color-changing ones, you can instantly alter the mood of the room. A warm white bulb can make the space feel cozy, while a cool white light will brighten things up and give a more modern feel. So let's recap everything we've covered today. Remember, when refreshing your space on a budget, it's all about getting creative, being strategic, and shopping smart. You can transform your home by setting a realistic budget, using paint to refresh walls and furniture, embracing DIY projects, and finding great bargains in secondhand stores and online marketplaces. And don't forget the power of affordable decor accents and lighting to tie everything together. I hope these tips have inspired you to start refreshing your own space. Whether you're tackling one room or your whole home, remember that a stylish, comfortable space doesn't have to cost a fortune. You just have to be a little creative and make smart choices. Before you go, don't forget to hit subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and click the notification bell so you'll never miss a future video full of great design ideas and tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.